Welcome back, aviation enthusiasts, automobile aficionados, and marine technology buffs. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the dynamic landscapes of aeronautics, marine, and automotive development in Morocco. As the global industry progresses, the Moroccan industrial capacities are developing as well. With a massive infrastructure of diverse companies and subsidiaries located all over the kingdom, Morocco has been known with its strong presence in the aeronautical, marine, and automotive fields. The automotive sector in Morocco has transformed into a global player, boasting a structured value chain and attracting a dense network of suppliers. With an annual production capacity of 700,000 vehicles, Morocco has become Africa's leading car producer, exporting the second largest number of automobiles to the European Union. The sector's commitment to innovation, electric vehicles, and research and development positions Morocco at the forefront of advanced and complex value chains. Gradually, Moroccan automotive industry is in ongoing development with several research and development centers and test centers for vehicle equipment industries equipped with high technologies for physical testing. Still watching? Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's soar into the captivating world of Morocco's aeronautic, marine, and automotive triumphs. As a leading force in Africa, Morocco has been ranked among the world's most dynamic aerospace ecosystems with a diverse supply chain. Moreover, Morocco's industrial solid expertise with a high precision and quality of assembling different parts and engines of aircrafts, such as sheet metal parts, interior equipment, and composite parts. Recognized by global major firms, appeals the biggest international companies. In addition, let us not forget the marine industry. Situated at the confluence of the Mediterranean and Atlantic waters, Morocco holds a pivotal position that propels its maritime sector towards significant progress on the global stage. Leveraging this advantageous geographical location and guided by a determined national strategy, Morocco has the potential to emerge as a formidable force in maritime affairs. This piece delves into the strengths and challenges of Morocco's maritime sector, shedding light on the vital measures required to advance and nurture its maritime industry. As the global industry advances, Morocco's industrial capacities in the marine sector are keeping pace. With a robust infrastructure spread across the kingdom, Morocco is a key player in marine technology. However, what truly sets Morocco apart is its commitment to education and workforce development. With a dedicated effort to train young technicians and specialists, as one specialist in the aeronautics field proudly puts it, there is no plane flying in the sky that Morocco did not make one of its parts and engines. With this, we have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and tell us down in the comments, what do you think about Morocco's industrial improvement?